This is a nightmare I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. Just went to pull this plug out of the bike and it broke off. Right now, all I have inside the cylinder, which is a very recessed spark plug hole, is just a tiny bit protruding out from this spark plug. I have to try and extract it. I've never had this kind of situation before. I'll show you exactly what's going on. This is my 01 Yamaha YZF 600R. And look at this. See it? How the hell am I going to get that out? That is so far down in there too. It's in a really hard to access place. I've got a step drill bit, and I'm going to try and pound that in there and then extract it. It's got ridges going the other way, so I should be able to grip it pretty good with this. And I was able to fit a 6mm socket over that. What I'm doing is I'm just heating up the block. Basically, aluminum has great expansion and contraction characteristics. So if I heat up the aluminum, hopefully it'll expand around the broken off spark plug and I'll be able to get it out of there. Other people use penetrating oil. I really don't mess with that. I've always found on that heat usually does the best. So I just have this heat gun kind of mounted upside down on here, and I'm walking away from this for a while. I'm going to let it heat up nice and good, and I'm going to pound that in there and see if I can get it out. Alright, it's been heating for a while now. Tap this step drill bit in and then theoretically torque it out of there. I can't even tap that. Like, they're just so buried like this, you know. I'm fucking snagging wires. Twist this fucking thing. Nah, it's just spinning around in there. So I just stuck this in there, and this is turning it, oddly enough. So the heat, it made it loose enough so it's like finger tight, and I'm literally turning it right now. Yeah, oh my God, it's turning. Oh, thank you, sweet baby G. I said a prayer too. I pray, man. It always helps. Like, when I have a situation that just overwhelms me, I pray. Let me get a shot of this. Let me try. See it turning? Wait, is it still? So what I'm going to do is, I don't really care about this. I'm going to sharpen these edges of it. This edge here, and I'm going to sharpen this edge here so it digs in a little better. Alright, I sharpened it so when I twist it to the left, it really digs in there better. Let me see if I can get this to focus. You really can't see it very well, but I've only put an angle here and on this side, like this way. So you know what I'm saying? When it digs to the left but not to the right, so I can loosen and dig in but not tighten and dig in. Yeah, okay, we're moving it. It's a lot easier now. I don't have to press down as hard. Keep going. It blew the spark plug right in half out of the cylinder because I got a misfire, and the bike got me home, but it sounded really weird. It sounded like a 4-stroke 1-cylinder dirt bike. and I measured my manifolds, and the 2 right ones were cold, so I might have to do this to 2 plugs. Yes, I got it. Got it. What a shitty situation. Here's the spark plug, and here's the end of it. That's crazy. I've never had this happen before. I didn't really think they could break. I know they break on those Fords, but I didn't think it could happen to me. And then this is spinning around in here too. Don't use E3s, I guess. I hope this helps. The heat is absolutely essential. Use the heat, because without the heat, your aluminum or your head material won't expand. You need that to expand around the threads and basically pull away from those threads so you can, you know, loosen it like it's finger tight. And then just for one last look, here is the tool I made. I really want you to see the sharpening angle. See, I sharpened it at an angle on this edge, and then I sharpened it at an angle on this edge too. It's hard to get little stuff focused in, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I hope this helps you. I hope you get yours out. Until then, you stay frosty. Don't do anything stupid. Be impeccable with your word. Do your best. Don't take anything personal. I will see you on the next one.